Chapter 18, Part 1, Translation. Je le déteste tel qu'il est. I dislike him such as he is. So tel que means such like or just as he is. Tels jeux sont intéressants. So here we've got it as a simple adjective. Such games are interesting. And interesting is a present participle, so it'll agree with gender and number with the je. Ça me prend trop de temps. So here we've got prendre in the normal sense of to take. That takes too much time for me. Now notice that ça doesn't have the little cedilla here, because a lot of times they leave off the diacritical marks, whether it's like the cedilla or an accent mark on capital letters, because that makes just too many keys on the keyboard to have to deal with. So ça me prend trop de temps means that takes too much time for me, or that takes me too much time. Prends garde à bien étudier. Here we've got prendre garde à, that expression, be careful about. So be careful to study well, or be sure to study well. Ils s'en prennent aux responsables. Here we've got the s'en prendre à, to blame somebody. So they blame the person in charge. Au responsable, le responsable means the person in charge. That can be, sometimes that's translated as manager, the leader, the person in charge, the administrator, something like that. It's a general word for the person in charge. And then we have prenez garde de tomber à l'eau. And so we've got a prendre garde de, which means the same as prendre garde à, which means be careful about something. So be careful about falling in the water, or watch out to not fall in the water, something like that.